Shankar, I have a very interesting problem for you today.
Okay.
So you have these 8 coins. Out of these 8 coins, one of them is heavy. And you don't have any weights. You just have a scale where you can weigh things against each other. So can you find out which is the heavy coin out of these?
Yes. One of the possibilities is that we should divide all these 8 coins in 2 groups
Okay.
of 4 each.
Okay.
Right?
4 each.
4
Okay.
each. Then we can balance them, and if one of them is heavier, obviously out of these 2 sides, one group will be heavier.
Right.
Suppose this is heavier.
Okay. So
Right?
this is okay.
Then,
this is heavier.
In this case, again we will put 2
Against each other.
Yes, we'll have 2 groups
Right.
of 2 coins each, right? And then we'll find out which is
Heavier.
And suppose in this case this comes out heavier.
Heavier.
Right?
Okay.
Then we'll again have the third time the balancing, and naturally we'll come to know which is heavier.
Yeah.
So this
very
is
good.
one of the ways. But in this case we have to try thrice.
Yes, you will need 3 weighings.
3
But it's very good that you have been able to do it in 3
Yes,
weighings.
yes.
But can you do it in 2 weighings?
In 2 you need to give me some hint.
Okay. So I know. So that is why I will give you this hint. Divide it into 3 groups.
Okay.
Like this. They can't be equal. They are 8.
Yes.
So,
The 3
divide
groups
it into 3
in
groups,
2
like
groups there are 3 coins
Yes.
each, and
Yes.
in one of the groups
There will be 2
2 coins each. So we'll first balance the groups of 3 coins.
Okay.
And suppose in this case they are equal. Right?
Then
we will naturally out of
Yeah.
in this group of 2, one is heavier.
Right.
So with the second weighing,
Yes.
balancing, will come to know which is
Which
heavier.
is heavier.
So in this case, in 2 we have done.
But supposing they don't balance out?
Yes. So if they don't balance out, then naturally whichever side is heavier, suppose this is heavier,
Okay.
we'll have this. And in this case again, we will weigh 2 coins at a
Right.
time. Right? So if
2, like you will take 2 of them and weigh against
right.
each other.
Again, so if they are equal,
Then
naturally
this is-
heavy.
Yeah.
Yes. And they are not equal, then again we will have
You
to
will
try.
know which side is
Yes.
heavy and you will
Yes,
get
yes.
it. Very
That is
good.
how we have to do it.
So you can even find the heavy coin in just 2 weighings.
Yes.
If the coin was lighter, it's the same thing. And if you have liked the video, just follow and subscribe so that you do not miss any future videos.